Hello everyone, this is Ankan Sarkar and today I am going to show you how to create custom object tab so that it is easier to navigate and view and edit the records in custom objects. There are basically two ways of creating custom object tabs in Salesforce. One is at the time of creating the custom object and the other one is after you have created the custom object. Now let me show you how we can do this. First go to setup. Go to object manager and create a new custom object. Let's say this custom object is going to be assist. Make changes to the values as per your requirement, and we also have some optional features. You can check these if you have any requirement. And the main thing that we need for tab creation is the last one. If we check this, that is launch new custom tab wizard. After saving this custom object, we are taken to a creation of tab. Now click on save and we are to the tab page. Here the object is assist that we have right now created, and tab style can be anything that you want. Let's say for now it's a flag, and now click on next and keep this as is. Click next. Keep these also as is, or you can make changes as per your requirement. And now I'm going to click on save. Now as we can see that we have created a custom object called assist. But how do we know that a tab is created? So go to the app launcher and search for assist item, and here we can see that this is the object that we have created in the form of item. We can open this, and here assist, and in this page we can create new records for the assist object. Or if we have created some records already, then we can edit those also. And since we have created the tab, now it is available in the navigation, and we can easily go to this, and this is how we create a tab and make it available in the navigation panel. And now I'm going to show you the other way. Let's go to object manager and create a new custom object. Let's say this is performance. Similarly, you can check any option that is required by you, but this time I'm not going to check the last option for the tab wizard, and I'm just going to click on save. Now if you try to find this object, let's say performance, there is no item here. That is we can say that we have not created a tab, so it is not available in the form of item. And if you also click on this performance object, in case you are thinking that we can do it later, you can see the option has been the option is not visible anymore. So in this case we have to go to the home page of setup and search for tabs, and in the tab page, as you can see, all the custom objects that we have created or tabs for are available here. But for now we are going to click on new. From this the object that we have created is performance. Similarly, you can choose for a tab style. Click on next and save. Now as you can see, it is available now. And if we go to the app manager and search for performance, let me refresh this page. Yep, here we go, performances. In this page we can create new or edit if we already have the records in this object. This is how you can create custom objects tab so that you can view or edit the records in the custom object or create new records easily from the navigation panel. Also, until and unless you have not created a tab for your custom object, then it would not be visible to any of the user. That is, no records in it can be visible to anyone, or you can't edit any records in it. And in case you are creating a new lightning app in Salesforce and you want to add a custom object to that app, but if you have not created a tab for that object, then you won't be able to add it to the application. And in case you have created a tab for the custom object, then you can easily add that object to the app so that it is so when you launch the app, it is there in the navigation panel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.